Hello everyone, welcome back to RM English. Today's video is based on short English sentences with translation. अगर आपने अभी तक चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल for latest videos. Without any further delay, let's get into today's video. First sentence, drink slowly. Drink slowly. आहिस्ता पियो. Clean it. Clean it. साफ करो इसे. वो टेबल भी हो सकता है, कोई भी चीज हो सकती है. Don't shout. Don't shout. चीखो मत. चीखो मत. Calm down. Calm down. कोई बहुत गुस्से में है तो आप उसको कह सकते हैं calm down यानी ठंडे रहो. Don't move. Don't move. हिलना मत. Call me tomorrow. Call me tomorrow. मुझे कल कॉल करना. Don't lie. Don't lie to me. मुझसे झूठ मत बोलो. I'm not lying. I'm not lying. मैं झूठ नहीं बोल रहा. Believe me. Believe me. मेरा यकीन करो. Believe me. Don't jump. Don't jump. छलांग मत लगाओ. Don't jump. Behave properly. Behave properly. ठीक से बर्ताव करो. Don't forget. Don't forget. भूलो मत. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Are you sure? Are you sure? क्या आपको यकीन है? Don't fight. Don't fight. लड़ो मत. Are you sick? Are you sick? क्या तुम बीमार हो? Are you coming? Are you coming? क्या तुम आ रहे हो? Don't cry. Don't cry. रो मत. Do you know? क्या आप जानते हैं? या क्या तुम जानते हो? Anything else? Anything else? इसके अलावा और कुछ या कुछ और? Do it. इसे करो. Do it. Hurry up. Hurry up. जल्दी करो. Come in. आ जाओ. अंदर आ जाओ. He is clever indeed. बेशक वो चालाक है. He is clever indeed. Come here. Come here. यहाँ आओ. Let it be. Let it be. होने दो. Blow your nose. Blow your nose. अपनी नाक सिनको या अपनी नाक साफ करो. Blow your nose. By God's grace. By God's grace. Clean your nose. Clean your nose. अपनी नाक साफ करो. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. कोई मसला ही नहीं. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल फॉर मोर वीडियोस. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.